Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2018 Ram 3500 that we currently have here on our pre-owned lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the truck today just to show you some of the features and options that this 3500 has to offer. So starting with, it is in your black paint finish as you can see, as well as your chrome accents across the truck. You also do have a lot of great features packed into this truck as well. So you do have your backup camera, as you can see, equipped there. Your front and rear park assist, so you can see your rear park assist here, those sensors there across that back bumper. You also do have your tonneau cover included on the truck as well. So a great accessory that you don't have to worry about post-purchase, helps keep your gear out of the way, secured while on the go. On the passenger side, you can also see it does come equipped with a set of running boards. So again, just another great accessory that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. You also do have a set of hostile rims included on the truck as well. So just to check out some of the features inside. So the truck itself can sit up to 5 passengers. You do have plenty of space in there, both front and back. So you can see in that back seat, there's plenty of legroom back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. The seats themselves are a leather seat. Again, offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers and are in good condition across the truck as well. In that back seat, you also do have your heated rear seats. So again, just another great comfort feature included for your passengers in the back. Up top, you do have your power sunroof. And just to check out some of the features up front here, so you do have your touchscreen display, very user-friendly interface, everything's in good condition across here as well. So you do have access to a lot of great features. Of course, all your audio media controls in there. Your climate controls are also accessible in through your screen as well. Some of the apps that are included in there. You do have your heated front seats, ventilated front seats, as well as your heated steering wheel, navigation, and of course your Bluetooth options. Just below that, again, you have access to some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls, your trailer brake control. You can toggle your park assist features on and off. Again, access to your heated ventilated seats in through there. Your center console area, you do have a little bit of storage space in there, help keep things organized well on the go. You also do have your keyless entry included on the truck as well, so your push button start in behind. Your key fob for the unit here. You do have remote start, so again, another great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your steering wheel mount control, so here you have access to all your cruise control options, your Bluetooth, you can capabilities just in on the left-hand side. In behind the steering wheel, you also do have access to your audio media controls. So you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. Your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. And as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen there, the unit does have 43,227 kilometers currently on it. But you can see this 2018 Ram 3500 has a lot of great features packed into it. If you're looking for that truck that can offer that extra towing, hauling capabilities, but also has your everyday comfort features, this could be the truck for you. If you have any other questions about this unit, please feel free to give us a call at 780-826-2999 or visit us online at www.bonnyvilledodge.com.